Salve! Welcome back to Easy Latin Part 3. In this video, we're going to look at changing verbs to make our sentences more interesting. Last time, we looked at how to change the third person, he, she, it does things, into the first person, I am doing things. So we had laborat, he works, and laboro, I work. Numerat, he counts, numero, I count. Ambulat, he walks, ambulo, I walk. Today we're going to fill in the final gap of our singular verbs. We had this sentence, ego in foro laboro. I work in the forum. We also looked at this sentence, in foro laboro. That means the same thing. I can have the ego or I can take the ego away. The ego makes no difference. It's just more emphatic. So this is I work in the forum, whereas this is just I work in the forum. What would you guess this sentence means? Tu in foro laboras. You work in the forum. Now I can again take the tu away and have in foro laboras. So the tu is not telling me that you're doing it, something else is. You work in the forum, you work in the forum. That's all the tu does. So I had laborat, he works, laboro, I work. Now I've got laboras. This means you work. If I wanted to say you count in the forum, I would take my verb numero, numerat that I've used before, and I have in foro numeras. Let's break this down a little bit more with a new verb we looked at last time. I greet is saluto. You greet is salutas. He or she greets is salutat. Down the end, you can see which bit tells me who is doing these verbs. O is I, S is you, and T is he or she. These endings are super important, so if you can learn them, please do. You'll find it really helpful if you have learnt your verb endings. So, saluto, salutas, salutat. If you want to continue your Latin journey, sign up for my workshop at the link in the description below. It's on-demand video training in 1 hour and it is completely free. It has the fundamentals of grammar and vocabulary, and I go through the 5 biggest mistakes I see students making time and time again. You'll also get all of my free guides as well, so sign up at the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching Easy Latin Part 3. Make sure to subscribe to get Part 4. I'll see you next time on Bambasbat. Wale!